Shouldn't all pumps be as rock solid as a Viking pump? We have a customer who manufactures fiberglass bathtubs. Tubs made from materials that are more affordable than brass, copper, or cast iron models, easier to install, and more convenient to repair. But making them that way requires a special pump. It drives a mixture of resin and fiberglass strands around the manufacturing plant. To form the product, they mix the liquid with a chemical, which turns it into a hardened gel that fits a certain mold, a bathtub, in their case. The manufacturer approached me with a problem. They have a mono-progressing cavity pump that has to be rebuilt every year. You can imagine how expensive that is. They asked me if we could come up with an alternative. The best option is to use a Viking size KK4624B abrasive liquids pump. This pump is perfect for this application. The cost of the pump quoted is approx. half of the cost of the rebuild parts for the mono pump. We're still going back and forward on it, since they have to coordinate the project with a shutdown schedule. But we're looking forward to seeing their pump problem project through.